G'day guys, Steve with Broken Sprocket. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn your dirt bike air filter from this to this, and the method that I use to clean and maintain my air filters on my dirt bikes. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to have to clean this filter and make it as good as this one, and also how to maintain your bike filter with the oils that you need to stop the dirt from penetrating through the filters. The materials that I use to clean it: you need a clean bucket and some gloves. Okay, the first thing you need to do is get a clean bucket and fill it half full with warm or clean water. Warm water, not hot, just warm. Second thing I do is I get some mineral turpentine and I just give it a splash in. This stuff's cheap, not expensive to purchase, and the purpose of it is because your dirty air filter has foam air filter oil on it, and you need to remove that foam, the foam filter oil first. So just tip it in the warm water. Put your gloves on first. Second go with the gloves. So you just place it in this water and you squeeze. Do not wring the filter, just squeeze only. And you're squeezing the oil out in this first one. That's all you're doing, is squeezing the oil. You can see here how it's already started to pull through, and it's just taking the oil out of the filter. And this has only been a couple of seconds, and you can already see how filthy this oily water is, because it's mostly oil. So just dip it in and squeeze. Look at that. You can see it just pulling that oil straight out. Okay, I've emptied out the bucket. I've put some new warm water in there. Now what I do is I get some laundry liquid. This is the stuff you just clean your clothes with the washing machine. Give it a generous amount in here. Good splash. Really make it as soapy as you can so it really cleans really good. Now the second stage of the cleaning is very much like the first. Just dip it into this warm water, now it's soapy water, and start to clean the air filter. Okay, once the filter is clean, just give it that one last good squeeze out. Get all that soapy water out, and now it's time to rinse it out in some nice clean water. Now I just rinse it out straight under the clean tap, get rid of all that soapy water. Okay, with this air filter now clean, it needs to dry because it's wet. So I'll use this brand new air filter and show you how to oil this filter up and put this one back into the bike. Okay, I'm using Lucas foam filter oil. You can use any foam filter oil that you like. There's also ones that are a spray can, but I tend to like these ones where you just squirt it on and squeeze it in myself. And I can see that it's got a good coating all the way over it, so you use what you like, but this is the type that I like to use. It's simple. You just squeeze and put a nice clean coating of this oil all the way around your filter. And do this edge, which goes up against your base. And then simply just make it even all the way around. Squeeze it in. Because this filter is brand new, it may need a little bit more than what I would normally use because it has never had any oil put in it at all. So you can see where, you can actually see where the oil has gone in and areas where it hasn't got to yet. So you may need to place extra oil around these edges that haven't got any yet. And now with this air filter completely oiled up, It's ready just to put the cage back in and place it back into the bike. Thanks for watching.